The facilities at Coleg Cambria are great, from the learning zone to the professional facilities and the equine centre. They're all really helpful in making learning 10 times more interesting. There's a variety of tutors here at Coleg Cambria and they're all very helpful and supportive. All the instructors on the yard have years of knowledge which is useful when putting theory into practice. I can't fault the support available to me at Coleg Cambria. All the tutors are there for advice if you need it on assignments or if you don't know what to do after you finish your course. I've been given so many great opportunities since arriving at Coleg Cambria. I've also had the chance to visit various industries and organisations where I can expand my knowledge and learn new skills. Since being at Coleg Cambria, I've had the experience of meeting several new people, dealing with new equipment, and also being able to expand my knowledge and skills for the career that I want. It's also really helped me grow as a person. The facilities here at Coleg Cambria are amazing. There's a big spacious indoor and outdoor, as well as a cross-country field and a round pen for training. Riding in these facilities gives a wide range for the type of disciplines available in the industry, and the fact that we have a set of full show jumps also makes jumping a lot more interesting and helps develop our skills when riding proper courses.
Coleg Cambria is a really friendly place. You meet new friends, the facilities are great. It's in a quiet enough location to concentrate on learning, stay relaxed and have a bit of fun at the same time. Here at Coleg Cambria they use different methods to teach you, like the use of IT. They have loads of Chromebooks which you can go on to search things, to get assignments done. They have lots of different horses here, which you probably will all ride. So they have different horses to suit pre-entry level up to level 3, and you'll get put on every single one. So it's a great vary and gets you used to different type of horses and how to ride different type of horses. Since being at college, I've made loads of new friends and it's given me the confidence to meet new people and speak to new people. Coleg Cambria were recently awarded excellence in their inspection and I'm proud to be a student here.